Get out of that grass. Oh, there's a dead bluegill right there. Come on, get out. Oh, get off that stick. Here we go. Here we go, you guys. Let's see him. Let's see him. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, son. Look at this little fucking hook I'm using, you guys. You guys don't need them big old fucking size hooks for these bass. Look at that little hook I'm using. Look at that bass I just caught. Right on, you guys. First fish of the day. It's about 8:30. Let's keep this going, huh? God, that's awesome. Beautiful size fish. Let's get him out here, huh? Yeah. Woo. All right, you guys. First fish. Let's get another one, huh? All right, you guys, let's make a move. Been here for about, I don't know, I'm at this spot for about 30 minutes. Lost 2 fish and then caught that one. So we'll see you guys here pretty soon up at the next pond. Let's do it. Okay, well, figure I'd show you guys the walk-in just to show you how tight of a spot it is. It's just this little trail right here. This is the 3rd pond up at the top. So I'm gonna put my stuff down right here. Sneak around this corner. I'm gonna bring the cane pole. Like I said, this spot right here is like tight. So tight, it's hard to, there's like no casting right here. Long 3rd pond though, look at that. Beautiful, right? Look at that. I would love nothing more right now than to catch one on this cane pole. I'm serious, you guys. I brought it because I know I'd do pretty good at that first pond. But like I said, there was some people fishing and I didn't want to, you know, get in their way of anything, so. And I think we're gonna make a move, guys. Definitely think we're gonna make a move right here. So let's get back down to that 2nd pond at the one corner and see how it goes. Hang out there for a little bit and then go see what's up with those guys at the 1st pond. So we'll see you guys there. We are at the 2nd pond on the right side. We were over there when we caught that first fish. See if we could get anything over here. Oh, here we go. There we go. Fish on, baby. Yeah. He's just a little guy, but it's a fish, yo. Oh, easy now. Yeah, don't hook me now, you little sucker. Just a little guy. But it's a fish, right, guys? Come on. Here, let's let this guy go. Nothing special, but thank you, little guy. We've already got a bite. Nope. You know what, guys? I think. Oh, got one. Nice. Oh, there's another one with it right there. There's another one with it. Oh, popped off. I'll take it. Okay, so basically, this is the first pond where those guys were at. I'm not sure if you could tell, but the sprinklers turned on right when I took that first cast over there. And I don't have the waterproof case on right now, so I had to book it out of there. But in real actuality, this is where I wanted to be. So, let's see what happens here. Oh, fish. Oh, shit. That was a fish, you guys. That was a fish. Oh, hit it again. Feels like something small. Come on, bite it again. It's looking like it's dying down, fellas. I do see a bunch of little fish here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to cane pull one in real quick. So we'll see you guys here in a minute. All right, let's try catching one of these little guys on the cane pole here, huh? I felt today like if it was gonna happen anywhere, it was gonna be right here. So let's find out. Oh, here we go, guys. Fish on. Oh, fish off. Right on. Bite with the cane pole. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you guys, look at that. First fish with the cane pole. Right on. They ain't nothing special today right now, but they'll do. Oh no. He swallowed this hook. Yeah, he swallowed it. You guys, I need to get pliers real quick. Sorry, fish. This little guy. Let's do it again though, man. I love this cane pole fishing. Still got a little worm on there. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to call it. So, should be seeing you guys here in a few minutes or so. What's up everybody, JT. So, yeah, you guys saw how it was. It was a little slow today, nothing big. But the good thing is we did not get skunked. So I'm super happy about that. But we're back in the car. We're going to be heading home now. I got a little surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. What's up everybody, JT here. As you can see, I'm back at the house. I had a great time out there. That was my first POV fishing video, so I sure hope you guys like it. Definitely more to come. And about that surprise, it's a really cool deal that I got here that I want to do a giveaway for. I liked them so much that I bought like 8 of them. I mean, they're cheap. They're not the coolest, but I think you guys might like them as much as I do. So let's get into it. Let's show you guys what this giveaway is here. If you guys could tell from there, it's bamboo. And it's a 2-piece cane pole. Bamboo cane pole, 2-piece. They sell them at Bass Pro Shop. And this is the 10-foot bamboo cane pole. And I believe it's only like $5 online. That's why I got so many of them. You know, I haven't had a chance to use them yet, but from what I could tell, they're going to be pretty cool. And what other better way than to make your great-grandparents proud than using a bamboo cane pole. So yeah, if you guys want to win this cane pole, share this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And leave a nice comment down at the bottom for me. And I don't want to give it away too soon because I only have a few subscribers, so I'm like at 130 some subscribers. So when I get to 200 subscribers, I'm gonna pick a winner for this cane pole. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. I had some fun fishing out there and definitely more fishing videos to come. So like I said, share this video, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you can. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Hopefully one of you guys will be winning this thing here pretty soon. So peace.